Today we're diving into a topic that might surprise you. Get ready for a tantalizing glimpse of some delicious foods as we uncover the 21 foods that you should never refrigerate. Stay tuned to find out why. Hey there, food enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered why certain foods don't belong in the fridge? Well, we're here to shed some light on that mystery. In this video, we'll explore why refrigeration may not be ideal for some foods and introduce you to the list of 21 items that should stay out of the cold. Let's kick things off with the first few foods that should never see the inside of your refrigerator. Bananas take the lead. Did you know that chilling them can turn their skins brown faster? Avocados and tomatoes also prefer the countertop to maintain their flavor and texture. It's all about preserving that natural goodness. As we delve deeper into our list, let's uncover some fascinating facts and tips to keep your food fresh and tasty. From the vibrant flavors of potatoes to the aromatic herbs like basil and cilantro, proper storage outside the fridge can work wonders. And don't forget about the delicate nature of berries and garlic. They thrive in cool, dry environments. Now let's address a common misconception: the refrigeration of bread. While many believe it keeps bread fresh, it can actually make it go stale faster. The same goes for onions, which can become mushy in the fridge. It's time to rethink our cooling habits for these pantry staples. Hold on to your seats because we've reached the pinnacle of our list. Drum roll, please. The most surprising food item that should never be refrigerated is honey. Yes, this golden nectar can crystallize in cold temperatures. By storing it at room temperature, you'll ensure its smooth texture and sweet taste. In conclusion, we've covered all 21 foods that thrive outside the refrigerator. By following these storage guidelines, you can enhance the flavors and freshness of your favorite ingredients. Remember, proper food storage is key to maintaining quality and taste in your meals. What do you think of our list? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more food tips and tricks. And be sure to check out our other videos on food storage and preservation. Until next time, happy cooking!